Evan! It is August something. I don't even know. It's a Sunday. All I know is school's starting soon, and the leaves here are already starting to fall, which means winter is coming, and I don't like that. I don't feel like making a super lengthy video today, but it was nice today. By nice, I mean it was just overcast. It wasn't raining, so I went outside to take pictures of the mushrooms that are everywhere in the yard, because that's what happens in fall in Anchorage. For fun, I decided I would make a short time-lapse just to show you the process I have to go through when using a 4x5 camera. So here you go. Also, I can't show you the results yet, just because I have to get them developed. I would develop the black and white today and add them in the video, but I don't feel like it. And so the color film, which I was shooting during this time-lapse, will probably take a week to get back to me. Also, ooh, geez, I don't look good. Yeah. Anyways, here it goes.